If you are into African folktale story, gather here. Let me show you this AI tool that will give you amazing thumbnail just like the one you are seeing on my screen in various variations that you can use for your thumbnail cover on YouTube. You don't even have to be a graphic designer for you to use this AI tool. All you just need to do is to give it a prompt, and after giving it a prompt, this AI tool will give you amazing thumbnail just like the one you're seeing on my screen, with even the caption and the writing. And I know you are interested in learning this. Why not stick around to the end? Let me show you how to use this AI tool. Welcome to George Digitals. My name is George, and today I'll be showing you how to use this AI tool to create amazing thumbnail cover for your African folktale story. So let me show you how you need to do this. Now, in order to do this, we'll be using two tools. One of them is ChatGPT and the other one is Leonardo AI. Now, what you need to do is you need to head over to ChatGPT, and from ChatGPT, we'll be generating a prompt that we'll be using to give to the other AI called Leonardo AI. So let me show you what you need to do and how you need to do it. So when you head over to ChatGPT, all you need to do is just for you to give ChatGPT a line of command, and after giving it a line of command, ChatGPT will give you a prompt. That prompt is what you'll be using to create amazing thumbnail for your African folktale story. So let's look at how to do that. Now, this is my prompt. I said I want to use Leonardo AI to create a thumbnail for an African folktale story that is about a lady who turns into a snake at night. I want the thumbnail to be eye-catchy and feature African kind of settings. Can you help me with the prompt to give Leonardo AI? That's what I told it. And one of the things you need to do is, now over this place you see I said a lady that turns into a snake. Now that is where I want you to focus on, because if you are creating your African folktale story, maybe you are featuring a wicked stepmom or the orphan girl or any title of your African folktale story. So you just have to change this place from a lady that turns into a snake into, maybe let's just remove that place so that you guys will get it. So in this place you see a lady, about a lady, I can say about the wicked stepmom. Understand, right? So you see, I want to use, so you can change that thing. So I'll be also keeping this prompt. I'll be keeping this right up on my description below, and also the links to the AI. I'll be dropping them in the description below so that you can use it to generate this amazing thumbnail. So you see, I've changed the prompt, right, to the wicked mom, right? So just click on this. Once you click there, ChatGPT will give you a prompt. Now, once ChatGPT give you the prompt, so this is the first step, is to create your prompt from ChatGPT. Now, after creating the prompt from ChatGPT, which is your first step, and the second step is for you to just copy this prompt and you give to Leonardo AI. So just copy it here, then you head over to Leonardo AI. When you head over to Leonardo AI, for those that have not created an account on Leonardo AI, I'll be giving you a link. Now, this link will take you to a page like this where you click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you will need to sign in with your Google account or sign up with your Google account. So once you come into this interface, when you sign up, you come into this interface, just click on the middle one, you see image creation, click on it. So once you click on image creation, it will take you to this place where you will now put the prompt. Now, mind you, the prompt you are going to be putting here will be the prompt that was given to you by ChatGPT. Just paste it here. So once you paste it there, now you will come over to this place you are seeing here and choose the kind of prompt enhancer you want. If you want it to be auto, if you want it to be on, this automatic means the AI will help you to adjust the prompt and the rest like that. Now you can also choose your style, the style for the image. You can choose the style you want. So I left mine on dynamic. Now the contrast, how you want the contrast to be, is it high, low, medium? You can decide to say you want it high, low. Now the next thing is, how do you want the quality to be? Now, if you want it to be high quality, you have to register or subscribe to them using a paid plan. And the next thing is, what is the size of the image you want to create? So because we are creating a thumbnail, we'll be going by with 16:9. This one I select here. Then after that, the next thing is, what is the size you want? Okay, you want it to be medium, so I'll select medium. Then the number of image, I want 4 images. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to head over to this place you see generate, and in generating it, it will give you You will use $24 to generate at this right hand side here. And anytime you create an account on Leonardo AI, they give you 150 coin. If you are looking at the top of my dashboard here, you'll see I have 150 free coin token or coin. And just click on generate. If you scroll down, you see it is generating the image for us. Now if you look at it, it has given us 4 variations of the image. So let's check it. Let's go into the image. As you can see, this is the image. If you don't like the image, you can scroll to the next one. You can scroll to the next one. You see, till you get to the one you want. So all these are the image the AI has generated, and if you don't like them, you can go adjust the prompt, or even go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that, oh, I want this image to be this, I want it to have the title the wicked stepmom. This is how you can use an AI to create amazing thumbnails for different kind of topics you are trying to maybe create on. And you don't even have to be a graphic designer. The images, the write-up and everything will be given to you by this AI. And I believe you are enjoying this video, and I have an extra bonus for you. The extra bonus is, let's say you want to use Canva. Apart from this image generation like this, you want to use Canva and generate and make it more efficient, so you can go to Canva. So let me just show you how to use Canva before I call it an end. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, because you're liking this video means you are helping the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, to push this video further to other people that will be interested in learning this kind of thing. So please hit this like button and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. So when you head over to Canva, if you scroll down, you see a place where you see thumbnail. Click on it. So once you click on it, it will give you an empty Canva like this. Then go back to the AI tool. Then when you go back to the AI tool, let's say you like maybe one of them, this one. Just click on it. Let's say you like this, or maybe you like the other one. Just click on this place you see download. Just click on this place you see download. So once you click on download, it downloads it. Then you go back into this your Canva. Just click here, drag the image and drop it here. So once you drag the image and drop it there, you can drag it here, drag this down. Now once you drag this down, what you need to do, you can still go back to this AI tool. Just close this. Once you go back to this AI tool, you can tell it to maybe just write a little prompt like this. So once you change the aspect ratio, just click on generate. Now if you don't like the image it is giving, what you just need to do, you also can change the prompt, like just click on generate. So this image it will be generating for us is what we'll be using on Canva. We'll be adding it to the other one and just to do some modification and the rest, and that will be all for the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So these are all the pictures and the stuff it generated. Let's look at them one after the other. So this is it. So anyone you like, maybe you like this one, just click here to download it. So once you download it, then you go back to Canva. So once you go back to Canva, what you need to do is to click on this place you see edit image at the top. This place you see magic grab, click on it. Then click on this picture and click on grab. You can now grab this image. Let's say you want it to be on this place. So once you click there, go back to upload. Click on this place you see file. Select the file of the girl, this file, select it. Click on it to put it inside the picture like this. Now what you want to do is you want also click on edit image. Then here click on this magic grab. Click on the image. Then click on grab. So once you've done that, you click on this image, you drag it. So once you drag it, you click here, you delete this. Then you click on this place you see flip and say flip horizontally, so that it look as if the girl is begging, something like this. So this one now you can now drag it a bit to this place like this, and you can just leave it this way. So the girl is holding a water pot and she's begging this woman, I don't know, for help or something. So this is how to create your folktale story cover using AI, or if you want to step it a bit further, you can now add it to Canva and use it. Meanwhile, the click and grab you see me doing now, the magic grab that you see me using, is only available on Canva Pro. And if you need the Canva Pro plan at a discounted price, you can use the link below. I will be giving you a link below and a discount code where you can get it for a smaller amount of money. Thank you very much for watching. This is George Digitals. Stay tuned for the next video I'll be dropping on Saturday. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.